Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have an exciting handbag haul. Before we begin, if this is your first time watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. And just so you know, I do post 5 to 6 days a week. Yes, I'm very active here on YouTube, and I would also love if you would follow me on Instagram and LTK. I will leave all the links down below, along with all the links for all the bags that I'm going to show you, including what I'm wearing. This is for Walmart. It's under $6 on sale. Get it before it's gone. Without further ado, let's get right into this haul. Starting off with this gorgeous bag right here. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, I don't remember the prices on any of these bags, but what I will say is that they are super affordable. So I'm going to put the prices somewhere here, and I will also put the prices down below along with the links, like I said. This is so beautiful. All these bags are by Dyson. They were sent to me. This is a white handbag done right, and I love the fact that it has like the studded details. Let me give you guys a close-up. So it has the studded details on both sides, so it does have like a really nice edgy look, and at the same time it's very nice and structured. This is a really nice structured bag. This is perfect if you work in a more professional setting, or you just like structured bags like me. Like this I will definitely wear to church or wherever I want to go. I love this, and I love the fact that it's really nice and roomy. It does have their DS, and also right here it says Dyson. It does also come with this pouch right here. You can remove it if you want, but it does have this pouch. It looks like that, and then it also comes with a strap. It is adjustable, so you can wear it crossbody or over the shoulder. And the reason why I really love this bag is that it has a lot of compartments. So if you're an organized freak and you like a bag that has a lot of compartments, this is perfect. So it has this compartment right here where, you know, you could put maybe your keys, your cards, whatever. And one thing I forgot to mention is they always give you a dust bag. And then it does also have this area right here. It has this slot where you can open it. You zip it up, and there's that. And then they have this side right here as well. It has two compartments, not two compartments, it has these two slots right here as well where you could put your phone or keys. I really love the fact that the inside is a really beautiful like burgundy color, and right here it does have the logos. It says Dyson. This one is a really nice quality bag. One thing I have to say is that it's very nice and soft. It feels like really nice soft leather, but these are vegan leather. And one thing I forgot to mention is that it also has this compartment right here. Looks like this one, it's locked, and to unlock it you just twist it, and it has this compartment as well. This I love because it's kind of like a secret compartment. It doesn't really look like it's an extra little slot where you could put whatever you want to put in, and I think that's really good for security purposes. You're at work and you got nosy coworkers that they want to look through your bag. That's not good, but you know, it happens, guys. This is really good for that because it doesn't look like it's an extra slot where it would open up. It looks like that's part of the bag, but it does open up. So that I think is really cool. I love when a white bag has like the black details as well. So this definitely I absolutely love. Moving on to a really dressy clutch. So they have these, they brought these out for the summertime, and I think these are perfect to go to a wedding. They do have them in different colors, and if I didn't mention, that white one also comes in multiple colors. This one is so gorgeous. Let me give you guys a close-up. So it's a so it has like shimmer or glitter on it. The glitter does not come off whatsoever. Like it's not one of those bags that comes off. None of it comes off. It stays on. And it's so pretty. It glistens in the sun. It's just really beautiful. You can remove this if you like. So if you want to change the chain, you don't, if perhaps you don't want this chain, if you want to like a long chain, you can take this off, or you can just leave it like that for as an extra detail. I love you too, baby. They also have in a gold, silver, black, but this one was my favorite. And let me open it for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. So in the back it looks like this, and it does also come with the longer chain. The chain looks like this. It's nice and long, so you can wear this crossbody or over the shoulder, and I really love it. The chain is really nice. It looks like that. And like I said, if you want to have it crossbody or over the shoulder, you can pull this out. It does have this little right here, this little slot where maybe you could put your card, your keys, your phone, your lipstick, maybe your little powder. You could definitely fit that in here, and you can definitely fit your bigger phones in here. That's why I really love bags like this. Look at that, guys, how it glistens. It is absolutely beautiful. And then moving on to another bag. This one I would say is like a perfect summer bag. If you love a smaller bag like this, this is just beautiful. They do have these in multiple colors. I really love this. So it's really beautiful blush pink. You guys know pink is one of my favorite colors, so I had to get this one in the pink as well. You can wear it like so, or you could wear it like that, where you could wear it over the shoulder or crossbody. I love the chain. Look at that, guys. It is really beautiful, unique style chain. It's nice and thick, very great quality. It is metal. I love the chevron print. I feel like it does give us high-end designer look. And let me open it for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. It looks like this on the inside. It does have this slot right here. And again, you know, this is not like a big bag, so you would probably only be able to fit your phone, your keys, maybe a lipstick, a powder, your card. That's basically it. But this is perfect for those days where you don't want to have like a big bag, you just want to carry your necessities and go. Or you can definitely wear this to a wedding. I think this is really beautiful. Or if you want to go to with your girls, have a day out or brunch, whatever, this is very versatile. And like I said, they do have these in multiple colors, but this, of course, I had to get it because I love the pink. Last but not least, I would have to say this one is my favorite. This, most likely I'm gonna wear it to a wedding that I will be going to. I absolutely love this. If you guys are looking for a really nice clutch for a date night or a wedding, a brunch, girls night out, something really nice and sparkly, this is it. And I can't believe it is so nice and affordable. It looks like this close up, guys. I got the one in the color gold, so I love the studs. The studs are like iridescent. It just makes it look really nice and special. And then in the back, it looks like this. And this is really nice because you basically have two looks in one bag. So if you wear it like so on this side, it'll look like all of it is like covered in gold glitter, and you'll have that look really nice and chic. And again, the glitter does not come off. I know that probably is annoying to some of you guys, but none of it comes off whatsoever. It is like that. It stays that way, which I love. Or you can have it more out there and have this side showing, and I just love it. It's a very nice clutch bag for going out somewhere special, wherever you need to go. This is the bag for you. And I love the little diamond right here. How it opens is you just push this like so, and this is how it looks. And again, it does come with a strap. If you want to use the long strap, you can. Like so. You can wear it crossbody or over the shoulder if you don't want to have it on your hand the whole time. That is really nice that they give us that. And one thing I will say that I really appreciate about this clutch bag, and a lot of times with clutch bags like this, the phone won't fit. And I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and my phone will definitely fit in here. So I would say the only things that will probably fit in here would be my phone, a lipstick, a lip gloss, my keys, my cards, or even my little like wallet. I have a small wallet that I got from Amazon. Definitely can fit that. Maybe a touch-up makeup, not touch-up makeup, touch-up powder. And that, I'm really set to go. So that's pretty much all I would need for a night out or wherever I plan to go that is more of a dressy occasion. I would definitely wear this. I think this is so pretty. It's so gorgeous. And they do have these in multiple colors. They have them in the silver, the pink, the black. I don't remember the other colors, but I know they have them in multiple colors. That is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my Amazon handbag haul. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching and you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless. Bye.